set up the multi-purpose welding machine off the MWMSS Type 1. Using the suitcase, it's on right now obviously. I'm going to take the power cord, which is right here, plug it into positive, and then take your ground and plug it into the negative. You have it all the way over here, and off the suitcase you're going to have your wire connect to your workpiece, your ground. That's where you can power this up. Make sure that your setting is the V-Sense feeder. If you don't have that on, this won't get turned on. Right, and then you also have to plug this into the MWMSS, into the receptacle in the back. That's how you set up the multi-process welding machine off the MWMS. You set up the multi-process welding machine off the MWMSS Type 1.